Hey everybody, we are back again today with a brand new segment on our channel that we're going to call Dad Knowledge. It's an homage to that person or those people in your life that just seem to know how to do stuff and makes your life a lot easier. Let's get to work. For today's video, we're going to show you how to check your tire pressure. It's not very hard, it doesn't take much, and it's something that anybody that drives a vehicle is going to need to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is go get one of these. It's a tire pressure gauge. You can pick those up at pretty much any box store. Walmart, Target, Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, they're all going to have them, and none of them cost very much. Put it where you keep your pens, or put it in your glove box in your car. Keep at least one with you. I've had this one for I don't even want to tell you how long I've had this one. It's been a long time. Let me show you what you're going to look for once you have this. We are getting ready to check the pressure on this tire right here. The standard operating pressure for one of these is 32 PSI. If you're unsure, check your owner's manual. It should be in the glove box of the car. I've got mine in there. I've got the truck right over here. It also takes 32 PSI. Going up to 35 should not hurt a thing. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. We're going to go ahead and take this cap off. The valve cap, it unscrews counterclockwise. Use your tire pressure gauge to zoom out and check that. Try to do this with that. And however much that moves is what pressure is in that tire, so I barely have over 10 PSI in that tire. Now, you may have to go to a gas station to get an air chuck most of the time. There should be one at every gas station. They don't always work, but some of them you have to turn the compressor on by hitting the power button on the big box. On this one, I happen to have my finger in the way. I happen to have mine at home, so we're just going to air it up here. And you'll see, if you see your tire flat like this, that is not good. You're very, very low and you need air. It can be very dangerous. But I'm going to push this end of it. Let's see if I can get that. I'm going to push this end of it into the valve stem. And you can see the tire rising. It may take longer than this if you're at a gas station because they don't have the powerful compressors like I have. See where we're at. We may be getting close. Reset the tire pressure gauge. Test it on the valve stem again and see where you're at. According to this, I am about 26, 27 PSI. We're going to go up higher. And that's the compressor that just kicked on. We are right about 32.5 PSI right now. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. We're at about 32.5 PSI right now, which is perfect. Replace the valve stem, and you're done. Okay, that about wraps that up. If you've got any questions, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll do the best I can to answer those. If you have any ideas for some maybe future ones, I'm happy to work through some of those too, because some of the ones I have figured out coming up are going to be how to change an air filter, maybe troubleshoot your HVAC if the seasons start to change and it's not working and you can't figure out why. Just a few little walkthrough things like that, and I'm happy to make a video for you if you want it. Until next time, think outside the box and do something cool.